Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the SoundPEATS Air3 Deluxe HS. Now, these are the first open-style earbuds that feature the LDAC codecs. Now, you can pick these up on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on these, $50. Now, let me start off by saying this. 'Tis the season. Okay, it's time to start holiday shopping. You got Black Friday, Cyber Monday. We got to get all of the Christmas gifts, the Hanukkah gifts, the Kwanzaa gifts, the Festivus gifts, the little last-minute Secret Santa and holiday grab bags. I think we found a perfect gift idea. And at $50, as Bob Barker would say, the price is right. All right, so let's get into this. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
Calm down. Okay, SoundPEATS Air3 Deluxe HS. Now, let's go through the features real quick. These come in one color, black. Now, these are open style earbuds, so they're going to be very comfortable. You got Bluetooth version 5.2. The codecs is aptX and LDAC. So these are high-res certified. Now you got 60 millisecond low latency mode. That's going to be perfect for gaming and perfect for watching videos. Now these are IPX4 sweat and water resistant. You got 14.2 millimeter dynamic drivers. These feature in-ear detection. So that means when you're playing your music, take them out your ears, they'll automatically pause, put them back in, your music will resume. Now you got 4 mics, 2 in each earbud. That's going to give you crystal clear phone calls. The battery life on these is 5 hours on a single charge for a total of 20 hours using the charging case. Now you got full touch controls for play and pause, volume up and down, skip and reverse tracks, answering and phone calls. And you also got an app that's available for Android and iOS that let you customize your EQ settings and customize some of the other features. All right, so all of that for $50. Let's see what it is. Let me grab a little unboxing knife. Okay, so we got the John Wick Special Microtech. Okay, let's get the poking. Right. Here we go. SoundPEATS Air3 Deluxe HS. Again, LDAC. All right, so all y'all audiophiles, this is something that you want to check out. Not only for holiday gifts, I think these are going to be a great set of earbuds. Let's see, did I miss anything? Okay, 14.2 millimeter bio-coated dynamic drivers. Okay, bio-coated, I like that. 20 hours battery life, dual mics. Okay, so let's get into this. Now, as far as the presentation, nice box, all right. Dude right here looking very stylish. Okay, let's see, inside. Now you got your usual books and shit, plug them and file them. These are gonna be your earbuds. Flick of the wrist. Okay, more usual books. Let's see what else you get. Okay, that's pretty much it. Now you got your USB Type-C to USB-A charging cable. Now this is one of the short ones. Okay, now for the actual earbuds. Okay, little plastic struggles. Anger levels increasing. Frustration building. Initiating beast mode sequence. Okay, deactivate beast mode sequence. All right, here's your charging case. Okay, so you got your Bluetooth pairing button, LED light. These are going to be your earbuds. Now, again, these are open style earbuds, so no rubber tips. But that means they're going to sit flush in your ears and be very comfortable. Okay, SoundPEATS branding. Let's drop them back in the case. Bang, there it is. All right, so let's grab a phone, pair these up, and start our usual testing. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. First, let's take a look at the charging case. Nice and lightweight, plastic material, has kind of a glossy look to it. SoundPEATS branding on the back in gold, okay? Gives it a little flavor. On the front, there's your Bluetooth pairing button with your LED light. Now, let's check the magnet strength. We'll start off with minimum shakage. Okay, no movement. Intermediate shakage. No movement. Maximum shakage. Excellent strength on the magnets. Okay, so now let's take a look at the actual earbuds. Again, open style. No rubber tips. One size fits all. You got your touch controls and SoundPEATS branding on each earbud. All right, so now let's take a look at the SoundPEATS app. Now for the pairing process, real simple. Once you open up the earbuds, they'll automatically be in Bluetooth pairing mode. Go to your phone's Bluetooth menu and select the SoundPEATS Air3 Deluxe. Now you got the name of your earbuds, you got the picture of your earbuds, and your battery percentage for the left and the right. Now you can raise or lower the volume right from the app. Okay. You got adaptive EQ. You can set that up for personalized hearing. You got different presets. So you got SoundPEATS Classic, Bass Boost, Bass Reduction, Electronic, Rock and Roll. You got Folk, Treble Enhancement, Hip Hop, and Pop. Now you also have a fully customizable EQ. Okay, we'll play with that in a minute. You got Game Mode. Activate the 60 milliseconds low latency. You can disable your touch controls, and you got in-ear detection. You can turn that on and off. Okay, and you also got all the different products. Simple and straightforward. All right, so now let's talk about the fit, the feel, and the look. Now, one of the things that separate open style earbuds from earbuds with rubber tips is the level of comfort. Now, I got them in my ears right now. Very lightweight and super comfortable. Now, as far as the fit, they feel pretty snug, but of course, we got to do the head shake test. So I'm going to start off with minimum shakeage. Okay, no movement. Intermediate shakeage. No movement. Let's go to maximum shakeage. Okay, surprisingly, they did not move. Okay, now they wobbled a teeny bit, but they didn't fall out of my ears. Now that's pretty good for open style earbuds. Here's how they look. Again, one size fits all. They're going to rest right in your earlobe. Pretty nice. All right, so now let's do a little sound test. All right, so I got a classic song queued up. We got DJ Khaled featuring Drake for free. Now I'm going to start off at maximum volume, and I got the EQ set to SoundPEATS Classic. Okay, double tap for play and pause, and I promise y'all I'm going to sing because this is my song. All right, let's get it on. Now, open style earbuds. So they're definitely lightweight and comfortable. You don't have the pressure of those rubber tips stuffed in your ears. Okay, here we go. Major keys. All right, let's get it on. I go on and on. Can't understand how it lasts so long. I must have had the superpowers last 223,000 hours cause I'm off of CC. And I'm off the Hennessy. It's like your boy from Compton said, you know this ain't free. I got girls that I should have made pay for it. I got girls that I should have made wait for it. Got girls that I cancel the flight back home. Stay another day, what you got? Food on 99, and your on agua, and your stomach on flat, and your ass on what's that? Yeah. Let's go. Yo, these actually sound pretty dope. Okay. Talking about you the only one that know can fit it all in it. That's what your ass bump. Is it just me? Is it just me? This sex so good I shouldn't have to for free. Oh, let's go. Is it just me? Is it just me? This sex so good I shouldn't have to fuck for free. Hold on. Let me see something. Hold on. Let's see something. Hold on. These actually sound pretty dope. Let's try bass boost. Okay. Something happening on you. Anyway, okay, let's see. Let's try hip hop. Now you gotta run it up. Okay, the EQ actually works. Let's go to customize. Okay, now this is my custom EQ setting. Okay, these actually sound dope. Okay, hold up. If you ask yourself, is it just me? Is it just me? This sex so good I shouldn't have to wait. Let me double tap my pause. Okay. This is my song, ladies and gentlemen, in case you haven't noticed. All right, I got to be honest with y'all. SoundPEATS has done it again. Now, y'all remember I reviewed some SoundPEATS earbuds in the past, and I see that these are probably the best earbuds at this price point. Here we go again, okay? Now, I know I said that these are perfect for stocking stuffers and Secret Santa and holiday gifts, but if you like open-style earbuds, these are a total win. for $50. The sound quality is excellent. Now, of course, you're not going to have that booming, head-shaking bass because with open-style earbuds, you don't have that rubber tip to seal in all of that sound. So these are going to give you a little bit more ambient sounds. You can hear a little bit more of the outer world, right? The real world. But the sound quality, I am impressed, okay? SoundPEATS has done it again. Let's do a little bit more testing. All right, so now let's do the reconnection test. How long do these take to reconnect to your phone after you take them out and put them in the charging case? So as you see, they're connected right now. Let's take them out. We're going to drop them in the case. Let them fully disconnect. Okay, disconnected. All right, here we go. Take them out. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. Wow, already connected. And on a side note, these have a great voice prompt. It said connected, but in a luxurious voice. So less than 2 Mississippis, that's pretty dope. Now let's do the 1 earbud test. Can you play music from 1 earbud while the other one is charging up in the case? Let's hit play on the music. Okay, now I'm going to take out the left side. Let's drop it in the case. Okay, let's hit play on the music. The right side is still playing. Okay, so now let's put the left side in. We'll wait for it to reconnect. Okay, now it's playing. Now I'm going to take out the right side. Let's drop it in the case. Okay, let's hit play on the music. The left side is still playing. So this is pretty dope. You can use either earbud independently, basically doubling your battery life. All right, so now let's check the touch controls. Double tap on the right earbud for play and pause. That'll also answer and end your phone calls. Okay, no issues with that. Now we're going to long press on the right earbud to skip to the next song. Okay. Long press on the left earbud to go to the previous track. Okay. That started the song over. Now let's go to the previous track. There it is. Now single press on the right earbud for volume up. Okay. No issues. Single press on the left earbud for volume down. Okay. That works. And triple press on the right earbud for your voice assistant. What's the weather for today? Okay, so all of the touch controls work. All right, so now let's check for latency. And what I mean by that is, when you're watching a video, is there any delay from the person's lips to what you hear? Now, on a side note, I went in the app and I turned on gaming mode. Okay, so I'm watching some Netflix right now. Pepsi, Where's My Jet? Okay, this is a great show. Let's see if we get some talking. Okay. No lip sync delay at all. So this will be perfect for watching your videos. All right, so now let's check the call quality. I'm going to call up Amaya. Okay, phone ringing. Hi, girlie. What's up? What you doing? New number alert. New phone, who this? You know how I give it up. Okay, let me get max volume. It's unlike you to answer the phone that quick, though. Oh, you ready for some? I'm about to say, must be a dry day, yo. You answering the phone mad quick. Let me find out your phone is dry like that, bro. Come on, man. Anyway, okay, check this out. Now, I'm testing out some new earbuds. How do I sound? Sound good? Very loud and clear? Okay, watch this. Hold up. Got to turn on the Brookstone fan. You hear any wind? None? Okay, let's get maximum windage. Okay, anything now? Okay, no wind? Okay, so these sounding pretty good. All right, these are called SoundPEATS Air3 Deluxe. These are not AirPods, so you... Yeah, I'm about to say, these are not AirPods, so you are not going to like these. But you might be getting these for Christmas. You never know. You got to watch out. I'm on a tight budget, bro. All right, anyway. All right, so they sound good. Don't block me. All right, so they sound good, though. All right, so let me get back to my test, and I'll call you back in a little bit. All right, bye. Okay, call quality on these, I would say excellent. Now, one of the things, I can't stress this enough, that I love about open style earbuds, they are super comfortable. That's probably one of the reasons why I still use my original AirPods for talking on the phone. Because when you're on a phone call, you don't want earbuds to be pressed inside your ears so thick that you can't hear nothing around you. These are perfect for wearing all day long, okay? And the call quality was A1, okay? No issues at all. All right, so for my last test, I paired these up to an iPhone and did a little sound test, and honestly, they sound about the same. So if you got a phone or another device that doesn't support the LDAC codecs, don't worry about it. Obviously, LDAC is going to sound a little bit better, but not by much, okay? They sound about the same on Android and iOS. Let's go ahead and wrap this up. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the SoundPEATS Air3 Deluxe HS a major go. And at $50, as Bob Barker would say, the price is right. Now, even though it's the holiday season, everybody's looking for gifts to give a gift to yourself. If you like earbuds that are open style, no rubber tips, you're gonna love these. I would rank these right up there with the AirPods in terms of sound quality, if not better than AirPods. Why? Customizable EQ. That makes a huge difference. These have a customizable EQ that actually works. The volume gets nice and loud. One of the best things about these, though, is the clarity. The highs and the mids are crystal clear. Now, the bass is there, but just keep in mind, without the rubber tips, it's going to sound like it has less bass. But again, go to the app, adjust the EQ settings. You're going to pump up the bass even more. For $50, these are a total win. 5-hour battery life. The call quality is great. You can use either earbud independently, doubling your battery life. You got low latency gaming mode. You got in-ear detection. Bro, for $50, these are a total win. Okay? SoundPEATS Air3 Deluxe HS. I'm stamping these down with the white shoe seal of approval. Add this to your holiday gift guide. Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock, run the beam up. Energize.
We're in a situation where everybody in the world uses technology. And if you're gonna buy some of that technology, you gotta understand certain things. Subscribe to Flossy Carter. He does reviews of all the latest technology. The iPhones, the iPads, the Galaxies, the Samsungs, whatever the fuck. The Beats by that doctor guy. And he puts his kitty cat in the videos too for you something to look at. You know, I'm an animal lover, so I like that shit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to Flossy Carter on the YouTube, the follow button on the Instaface, and the like button on the Facebook. Because if you don't, we're gonna have a fucking problem here. A bad one. Now hit the fucking subscribe button.